So now we're actually going to look at translating a shape by a column vector. So in example 1, we want to translate this triangle given by this column vector 5, -3. If we remember step 1, we look at the top number in the vector, this will move our shape in the x direction. So we know that we have this number 5, we have the number 5, and that is telling us, well, this is in the x. So we're going +5 right. Then step 2, it's telling us we want to move in the y direction. So we have y equals -3. So we're just taking each one of our points and we're moving them down 3. So that tells us we're going down 3. Now this is totally up to preference. What I like to do is start with my bottom right point, and I'm just going to move one of the points and then redraw the shape. You can move every single one of the points, but if you know how big the shape is, it's easiest just to do with one if you're really sure in yourself. If you want, you could do every single point individually to make sure that you've gotten it right. So I'm just going to move X first, so I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I know it's going to be there for a second, and then we have to move down 3. So we go 1, 2, 3, and this is where our point is going to actually move. So we're actually going to get our first point there. Now, this is where I said I'm going to opt to just redraw our shape. So looking at our little shape we got there, it's a little bit too big. Looking at our little shape we have here, it went 2 over, and then we went 2 up, and then it made a triangle. So, and then you, like I said, you can go back and check if you want. Make sure I'm telling the truth here. So if we look at this point here, this one in green, let's go down 3 first, because it doesn't matter if we go in our x first, then our y, we'll get to the same result. So here we're going to go 1, 2, 3 down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and indeed that point matches up. So now we're going to do one more just to see where we can go with this. So look at the top number in this vector. What's our vector? Vector is 0, 4. So that means our x is going to be 0, our y is going to go 4. So we can say no movement in our x because it's 0. And here we're going 4 up. Now you don't actually have to do that step if you can just see what you're doing, but it can help out some. So here we're going to move each of these points 4 up. So -2 is going to go to 2. -2 is going to go to 2 again. This -4 is going to go to 0. So -4 plus 4 is 0. And we have 3 points. And you can just connect them. Like I said before, you do not have to do it for every single point like I just did. You can just do one point and simply draw your shape if you know what it looks like. Now, here's 3 questions for you to try for practice. At this point, pause the video. When you're ready, please press play and then we'll go through them. Right, welcome back. So we're going to look at this first one. We have a vector 0, 5. So this is telling us all we're doing is we're moving 5 down. Okay, I'm actually going to go and fill out all the other ones. So what does the next vector tell us? Means we're moving 3 right. And the last one we're going to have to do a combination. So we're going 2 right and 3 down. So let's just pick a point. I'm picking my bottom right point. So we're going 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I know if I want to take my little shortcut, I know on my original it goes 2 up, so my final is going to be 2 up. Then from there it goes 3 over, so I can draw 3 over, and then 2 down. So I can now connect my lines and I have my same shape. Next one over, we're going to look at our triangle, and we said we're moving it 3 right each point, so let's grab that bottom right point and we go 1, 2, 3 over, and then we can do, I'm just going to move each point this time, 1, 2, 3, and here, 1, 2, 3. As always, connect our lines so we can see that we are done, and we are telling the person who's reading our exam, who's reading our work, that, hey, we know what you're doing, we're done, we're moving on. Very last one is 2, -3, so we're 2 right, 3 down. So pick that bottom right point, and we're going 2 right, so 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3 down. And here we want to just redraw it, so we're going 2 up, and we're going 3 right, 2 down, 1 right, 1 up, 1 right, 1 down. And it'll just take practice getting to do it with ease and with confidence. Once you've connected all your dots, you are done. Please make sure that you don't have it lying off the line like I did here. With a pen and pencil, you should have a lot more ease. I'll see you in the next video.